Hi everyone, so today we will looking at LCM. So what does LCM mean? LCM is lowest common multiple. So there are actually two methods in order to find the LCM. The first method is a bit easy. You need to know you need to know your times tables for both methods. But this one is a little bit easier for some persons who don't like division because the other method is the division method. So the first method, let's look at a question. So let's call this number one. So we want to find the LCM of, let's say, 4 and 8. So we're going to list out the multiples of 4 and then the multiples of 8. Then we're going to find the lowest common multiple. So first things first, list out your multiples of each number. Now when we think about multiples, think about your times tables. So for example, your 4 times table. 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12. So it's like that. So 4, 8, we keep on adding 12, right? 4, right? So 12, 16, 20, 24, and it can go on and on and on. So let's find or list the multiples of 8. So the multiples of 8 will be 8, 16, 24, 32. Again, you can go on and on and on. But once you recognize that we have some common multiples already, we can stop. So for example, we have 24 in common. But if you look at the beginning, they have 8 in common. So the LCM, we choose the lowest common multiple. The LCM is 8. Let's try another one. LCM of 5 and let's say 7. So let's list the multiples of 5. So we're going in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So let's stop here for now, and if we need to add on, we can add on afterwards. Let's list the multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28. Now if you look at the two numbers, the multiples of 5 and 7, we still have nothing in common. So we need to keep going. Let's go one more for the 7. We get what? 35. Let's go one more for the 5. So we get 30 here. If we go one more again, we get 35. And then it goes on and on. It goes on and on down here as well. So our lowest common multiple, the number that they have in common, the lowest number they have in common is 35. So this is one method to find LCM.